Hello everyone! Let's meet again with a new dish that is also popular today, pickled crab. First, we have to make a fish sauce for soaking crabs. We start by heating the pan and then adding palm sugar. For this, I use half a bowl. And then stir it until it turns a little red. Then, we pour the fish sauce. You can add a little pure water on top, but I already mix it with fish sauce and then add a little MSG. And then put it in a bowl to cool. Now, we start cleaning our crabs. We have to wash the crabs, clean the corners of the crabs, and then put them in a clean metal bowl. Then, we pour the soda to soak the crabs for 15 to 20 minutes to cut the crispiness of the crab. Now, we set our crabs aside, and then we hit our fish sauce, leaving the crab sauce that we pickled. Now, we start to beat our fish sauce. First, add pepper, garlic, parsley, or mix. Then add half a teaspoon. Half a tablespoon of palm sugar, 4 tablespoons of fish sauce, and 2 lemons. Mix well, then we put it on a plate. Now, we start to see the crab sauce once again. When our crab sauce is cold, we start to add the cooked garlic and a little chili. Then, we take out the crabs soaked in soda and put it in a box. Arrange the crabs, clean them, and add fish sauce. After we pour the fish sauce and crab, we can put them in the refrigerator for 4 to 8 hours to eat. Thank you for watching this video from start to finish. You can try it at home in this easy way too. Don't forget to help by liking and sharing this video to get more new videos.